Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on November 14, 1889 in Allahabad. He belonged to a family of Kashmiri Brahmins. His father, Pandit Motilal Nehru, was a well-known barrister. His mother, Swarup Rani, was a simple and pious lady. Young Jawahar had his early education at home. His family was aristocratic and well to do, and his father had him educated at home by private tutors and governesses. In 1905, at the age of 15, his father took him to England and there he joined the famous public school, Harrow. 2 years later, he went to Trinity College, Cambridge. On finishing college, he passed his barrister's degree from the Inner Temple and returned to India in 1912. After being admitted into the English bar, with his father's guidance, he began his practice as a barrister. However, by this time his thoughts had turned towards serving his country. Months after returning to India, he attended an annual session of Indian National Congress in Patna. Though he harbored doubts about the party's effectiveness, he still agreed to work in support of the party's efforts. In 1916, he was married to Kamla. The following year, their daughter Indira Gandhi was born. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre of 1919, in which innocent civilians were shot by General Dyer, was the turning point in his life. He gave up his practice and, along with his father, joined the freedom struggle in 1921. Jawaharlal joined Mahatma Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement and was imprisoned for 6 months in 1929. He was chosen as the president of the National Congress. He made a fiery speech at the Lahore season where he declared that India's aim was to get complete independence. Thereafter, he became completely imprisoned in his work for the country. In 1936, his wife Kamala died in a sanitarium in Switzerland. Though plugged in grief, he continued his service to the country. In 1942, Mahatma Gandhi started his Quit India movement. Jawaharlal played an important role in this movement. He was imprisoned for 3 years, but made use of the time spent in jail to write several books such as A Discovery of India. In 1947, after bitter struggle, India won her independence. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of the country. It was a day of recognizing the nation when the Prime Minister unfurled the national flag from the Red Fort. For 17 years, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru steered the course of the country towards modernization and industrialization. He was determined to make the country economically self-sufficient and formulated the 5 year plans to achieve this objective. Nehru believed in secularism and peaceful coexistence. As Prime Minister of the nation, he also worked for world peace. Under Nehru, India was recognized as one of the major powers of the world. In 1955, the President Dr. Rajendra Prasad conferred on him the Bharat Ratna in recognition of his service to the nation. The Chinese aggression of 1962 came as a shock to him. It was with great difficulty that he was able to get over the blow. Pandit Nehru loved children. Till date his birthday, November 14, is celebrated as Children's Day. On May 27, 1964, he suffered a heart attack and breathed his last. The nation grieved for its beloved leader, the architect of modern India. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.